Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the game space of features from the Realme X7 Pro versus the OnePlus 8T device. The Realme X7 Pro has got the stable Android 11 update, which is a Realme UI 2.0, and even the OnePlus 8T has got the Android 11 and latest Oxygen version as well in this phone. So let's compare side by side, friends, which game space has a better advantage and better features, all those things. I'll try to cover in-depth videos between both the smartphones. So just in case if you're watching this channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting videos. So right now I did use the iOS type of theme in this Realme X7 Pro. I did a video on that, how you can actually get that. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and do check the links in description for the playlist of the Realme X7 Pro. You can find how you can actually do that iOS installation. So let's begin the comparison, friends, between both the phones. So first thing is that naming of the game space is kind of same in both the phones. So both phones are having the same kind of naming. So let me try to show you quickly. First, exactly I'm using the Android 11 stable version. So you should know I'm using the Realme UI 2.0 Android 11, and this is the OnePlus 8T Oxygen OS and the Android 11. So now let me try to open the game space application in both the phones. In both phones, the game space has been open, and you can see the animations you will be getting in the Realme X7 Pro. So you don't get any animations in the OnePlus 8T. So that's the first thing which I noticed right now. So you do have same kind of interface similarly like this. So scrolling between the games, so the way you do here. And next is both phones are having the same kind of bottom options, as you can see, where you get another plenty of control in the bottom. But in the Realme UI 2.0, after the update, you do get plenty of options here which got customized. So in the OnePlus 8T, you do have this kind of mode which is called the fanatic mode, as you can see. So this will block all notifications, restrict background, stop the secondary SIM to improve, do not show again. So these are the top three features which will be included if you want to enable that kind of mode. So this mode will boost up a lot of RAM, and it will improve the performance. Same like in the Realme X7 Pro, you do have this kind of mode: low power mode, balanced mode, and the pro gamer mode. So for every mode, the color will keep on changing. So this is a very cool, friends, in this Realme UI 2.0. I do like this kind of color shifting a lot in this phone, mostly. And next is that how to show notification text only, mistouch prevention. So these are the few things which you got here. So right now you do have the automatically adjust resolution, brightness lock, quick startup, 4D vibrations, voice changes. These two options may be supported in only few games, not in all the games. So next, on the top you do have this option where to change the custom cover. You will be getting all the screen recordings what you did during the gameplay, and play time and game news. So in the OnePlus 8T, you do have the same kind of thing. So game time, so where you can see what games you played, and I think this is a moment. So where if you take any screenshot, this will be coming on this in this game space option. And let me try to go to the in-depth settings. So go to the settings here. So change view and shift layout. So let me try to select what happens. So this is a change view. So both phones are having the same kind of options here. So mostly I think both are having the similar kind of options, friends. So let me try to go to the settings. So let's see what will be there in the settings. Hiding the games from lock screen, launch screen animation. So that is a must. You do have this kind of option. In the OnePlus 8T, you do have so many options which are there here. So gaming tools, hide game space, so show games in game space only, same kind of option which is present here. And show instant games in the space, answer calls via speakers, notification disabling, mistouch prevention, graphics optimization, haptic feedback enhancement. So by using this haptic feedback enhancement, whenever you are playing the Asphalt 9 game while racing, you will get very good feedback. Even while you're shooting in the PUBG game also, you'll get the feedback as well. That's the best advantage by using this kind of enhancing haptic feedbacks. So next is that you do have this kind of option. So intelligent network management. So in case of network delay, automatically switch to the better network. So from mobile data to the Wi-Fi, it will automatically switch depending on the network delay. So these are the few things, friends, which you got in this OnePlus device. So same thing in the Realme X7 Pro, only little options you are getting. So now let me try to open one of the game and start playing the game. So let me try to start the game at same time. So both phones are started at same time the game. And now let me try to access the game space. So in both the phones you can access the game space similarly like this by just by swiping. I think in the OnePlus it should be from left or right. So in the OnePlus you can access from the on the top of the notification panel. Whenever you swipe, you can see these options of having the how much is the temperature, time, and the battery percentage, phonetic mode, notifications, mistouch prevention, and the screen recording. So you're not getting any option to see the real-time FPS. So in the Realme UI 2.0 you can see the real-time FPS meter 61, as you can see here. So which is very much helpful while playing the games, but I did not like this kind of big interface which is disturbing the games. So usually before it used to be on the top, but now they moved it to the side, so which is very much irritating. So half of the game is completely covered just by this kind of screen. If it is on the top notification panel, then that would have been very much better, and you will be able to see the gameplay much. But this is not that helpful, friends, in terms of having this game space designed here. So as you can see, so this is a complete difference, friends, in terms of the game space between both the Realme X8 Pro and the OnePlus 8T. So for more interesting videos, and do subscribe to my channel, iQOO, and thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.